On. Oh God, today's live is going to be extremely special because I'm so overwhelmed with all the love that you all have shared for me in my absence while I was inside. So thank you so much. I'm really excited to interact with all of you today. Hello, hello. I can see all my fan clubs joining in. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have really done a lot of hard work. And I know आप सब बिल्कुल मेरी तरह ही बहुत disheartened है, shocked है. But like I have been saying, this is the concept of the show. और ये हमें पता चला अंदर जाने के बाद, and there's not much that we could do. Even though Karan and I tried our level best to, make our connection work for each one of you, but कहीं ना कहीं शायद कुछ कम पड़ गया. I know आप सबने मेरे लिए बहुत भारी तादाद में वोट किए एंड मेरी वोट रैंकिंग काफ़ी हाई थी. This means a lot. So thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to be taking a few questions and interacting with you all. Thank you guys. कितना सारा प्यार. Oh. Let me see. Am I missing out on some messages and questions? Hello, Zaid. Thank you for so much love from Kashmir. Mansi, who's my friend, is over here and she's saying she's my big fan. I like it, girl. Nirav. Hi, Nirav. Nirav is my school friend. He's here to support me. Actually क्या हो रहा है ना, मेरे पूरे फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, फैंस सब बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड महसूस कर रहे हैं. आई नो सबसे ज़्यादा मेरी सिस्टर इनफैक्ट, बिकॉज मेरे से ज़्यादा बड़ी फ़ैन है रीमा बिग बॉस की. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरी जर्नी वॉज कट शॉर्ट रियली सून. आई हैड सो मच टू ऑफर बट मुझे वो मौका ही नहीं मिला. आई कुडंट डू आई थिंक आई डिड ओनली 2-3 टास्क एंड आई वॉज एलिमिनेटेड. तो अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं. My Shaurya is here. My Shaurya Baba, hi. He's in the other room playing his video game and yelling, and he's been banned. I told him, I said, you can't come in my room. Dakan, I love you. I miss you too. Hi, my GGD. This weekend, I am seeing you. Do not ditch. The other thing I'm really happy about is, that I'm back to my regular life. Or the thing that I miss the most, of course, besides my friends and family and my mobile phone, I missed having coffee. और मैंने आई थिंक अपनी ज़िंदगी के पिछले 15-16 साल में ऐसा एक भी दिन नहीं है कि आई हैव नॉट हैड कॉफ़ी. सो straight 2 weeks without coffee and I have been having tea. I've learned how to make tea. So कुछ चीज़ें सीखी भी है. Shrew is saying that I wish you had a connection with Rakesh after seeing you both in Rajnikant. Yes, of course, यार. Even I wished, यार, because obviously that would have been the best because Rakesh और मैं एक दूसरे को पहले से जानते हैं और वो मेरे temperament से वाकिफ है और वो बहुत ही chilled out है. So बड़ा ही मजा आता. But unfortunately मैं last enter हुई थी इस show में. I was the last contestant to enter and the show was with the choice was with my dear Karan and I'm so happy he chose me. बीइंग कृति तन्ना सिंह, वापस जाओ ना बिग बॉस के घर प्लीज. यार अब क्या करूँ यार, मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. आई एम गोना बी वेटिंग. it's a waiting game after all and like I said, there are many deciding factors to this, whether you as my viewers and audiences, अगर आप लोग फिर भी चाहते हैं कि मैं उस घर में जाऊँ, whether the makers want me to be a part of it, and third, of course, if I'm not working on another assignment at that point in time. Who is my best friend from the Big Boss house? Well, to tell you honestly, that's not a place where, according to me, a lot of people fall in love also. But for me, I'm not too sure if I could make friends over there. जिन्हें मैं पहले से जानती थी, of course, I was, friendly towards them. But everyone was living on a survival instinct over there. It was all about fight or flight mode वहाँ पर. So evidently वहाँ पर मैं बना नहीं सकी बहुत ज़्यादा दोस्त. But of course there are certain people who I know I will be getting along with them even after they are out of the house. So why not? I shall give it a real shot. Hi Mansi, thank you. Hi Prathamesh. Yes, Krish, I'm back to my phone. I have been taking lots of selfies. क्या रिप्लाई करूं सरदारनी जी? हेलो, नीरव इज सेइंग रिच फॉर वाइल्ड कार्ड. श्योर. अभी तो मैं थोड़ा सा खुद ब्रीदिंग स्पेस ले रही हूँ. I've just been interacting, I've been giving away my exit interviews, I've been meeting my friends and family, still unpacking. Do you want to see the mess? Sorry, but this is the real kahani. I am just dumping everything around the house because मुझे बिल्कुल वक्त नहीं मिल पा रहा है to unpack. अनुराग कह रहे हैं मैम मैं आपको बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ. I'm sorry guys, मैंने बहुत कोशिश की but like we said कि कनेक्शन के थ्रू ही आगे बढ़ना था. ये गेम का कॉन्सेप्ट था जो अभी we all have to accept it and so have I. Yes. Hi Nama. Thank you my sweet boy. I'm going to be taking a few questions. प्रतीक आपको क्यों बुरा लगता है? अरे यार प्रतीक, मुझे एक्चुअली बुरा बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है. दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग. इनफैक्ट अगर आप सबने फॉलो किया है तो प्रतीक और मैंने लास्ट में हमारे डिफरेंसेस सॉर्ट भी कर दिए थे और वो एक बहुत ही सिली मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग थी जिस पर हम दोनों का रिएक्शन बहुत आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल चला गया था. सो लाइक mature adults we sorted it out and we all have our days and trigger points. I felt like I was being bullied and targeted and my reaction was pertaining to that alone. We have seen you connect with everyone, but which is your favorite connection? I did like mine and Karan's connection. It was organic, authentic, real because हम दोनों ही काफी real है and we don't like to meddle in other people's business unless absolutely necessary. But besides that, I do like Rakesh and Shamita's connection. It's kind of cute. Loved you for your simplicity. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'd always said कि मेरे पास कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है. मेरे घर के नीचे जरा ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाता है इस टाइम पर. हाँ, सो ओके, मेरे पास कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट गोना बी मी एंड आई हैव डन एग्जैक्टली दैट. आई हैव. कौन है यार इतना? कौन ऑन बजाता है यार? आर पीपल मैड और व्हाट? बट एनीवे, लेट मी हियर. Shafi, love from Pakistan. Thank you so much. My fans have been saying I've been very real throughout the show. It's true because I was me, I have no regrets about any of the fights that I've had, any arguments, anything, not at all. One thing you didn't miss when you were in Big Boss. Well, I missed everything, honestly, but the love for you guys kept me going because I wanted to be able to interact with all of you, which I could. So like they say, my journey was short but eventful. Yeah, we want you back when Salman is hosting. Yeah, oh my god, wow. Never say never. कुछ भी हो सकता है. कुछ भी हो सकता है. बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं थी आपकी एग्जिट. बिल्कुल सही कहा. मैंने भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. सृष्टि सिंह, hello big fan. Hi Srishti, look what I'm wearing. I'm wearing what you got for me. So yes, if you all have liked the clothes that I was wearing inside, my stylist is responsible for it. She's got me so many clothes now. I don't know what to do in those clothes. I think I'm going to wear those and sleep now. बिग बॉस अब नहीं देखूंगा. अरे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं यार. देखो यार, दूसरे भी बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. सबके एफर्ट्स लग रहे हैं इस गेम शो में. सो प्लीज देखिए. मैंने अभी तक इनफैक्ट एक भी एपिसोड नहीं देखा है. मैं खुद देखना चाहती हूँ बट आई हैव नॉट बिन गेटिंग द टाइम. सुन रही हूँ मैं कि मेरी जब वोटिंग का टाइम था तो माई रैंकिंग वॉज प्रीटी हाई. सो ये सब सुनकर मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. कुछ मेरे आउटबर्स्ट है जो मैं देखना नहीं चाहती वहां पर. बट इट्स ओके, इट्स ओनली ह्यूमन. वेलिशा इज आस्किंग आप गोवा से है ना? नहीं जी, मैं गोवा से नहीं हूँ. काश मैं होती. आई लव गोवा. दैट्स माई गो टू प्लेस. जब भी मुझे दुनिया से भाग जाना है कहीं तो आई लाइक जस्ट बीइंग बाय माई सेल्फ बाय द बीच. What do I think about Shamita? Shamita is lovely. शमिता के साथ मैं तीसरी बार प्रोफेशनली काम कर रही हूँ एंड आई कैन क्लियरली से कि दिस इज द टाइम दैट वी हैव कनेक्टेड द मोस्ट. आ जाओ शिमला घूमने, बुलाइए, हम आ जाएंगे. बचपन में गई थी मैं शिमला. Who were you the most connected to? Of course, I was connected to Karan. But besides that, I was connected to Rakesh a lot, Shamita a lot, because I know them पहले से. दिव्या के साथ मेरी फ्रेंडशिप काफी अच्छी है. ગુજરાતીમાં કંઈક કહો. શું કહું? કેમ છે તું? મજામાં? How is your relation with Karan? Great, excellent. He is a great friend to have, and I'm glad he chose me as his partner. My favorite movie, Kal Ho Na Ho. My fans are saying they're always going to support me. This goes without saying. Thank you so much for all your love, always. Something about Divya. Well, what do I say, yaar? Divya is lovely. मुझे बहुत चाय पिलाई है उसने, मुझे सिखाया चाय कैसे बनाना है. शी इज़ वेरी शार्प, शी इज़ प्लेइंग द गेम वेरी वेरी वेल and I wish her all the best. I do see her, Shamita, Nishant reaching the finals, so all the best to them. Bikash sir, my coach is here and he's saying I have to start my kickboxing. Yes, I have a lot of rage in me right now and I could really use some kickboxing, so yes, hell yeah. Hello RC, thank you so much. I'm all well. आप कैसे हैं? आई होप मैं किसी के सवाल, एक्चुअली मैं बहुत स्लो जा रही हूँ जवाब आंसर करते करते, सो आई एम सॉरी अगर मेरे लेट रिप्लाईज आ रहे हैं तो. एक तो मेरे पास स्टैंड भी नहीं है, मेरा हाथ ना इतना दुख रहा है सुबह से. आई बीन होल्डिंग माई फोन बिकॉज वी बीन डूइंग इंटरव्यूज एंड क्या है. आई वॉज ओनली वॉचिंग बिग बॉस फॉर यू मैम, बट नाउ oh no, don't say that. Big Boss as a show is great, yeah. I mean, we've all been fans of this show, so please continue watching it. Hi Shaz, hi Ishu, stop laughing, I'll block you, I promise. How is it since I've been out of the house? Well, it's been very very hectic, you know. In fact, my relatives have been wanting to meet me. वो लोग कब से बोल रहे हैं हम कब आ सकते हैं घर मिलने. मैंने बोला अभी तक सोचो कि मैं घर के बाहर निकली नहीं हूँ because you know, my exit interviews have been going on and like I said, all this unpacking. आप रोती हुई अच्छी नहीं लगती. आई नो आफरीन, थैंक यू सो मच. मुझे भी रोना अच्छा नहीं लगता है और जेन्युइनली मैं एक्चुअली अच्छी नहीं लगती रोती हूँ. मेरी शक्ल बड़ी ही फनी लगती है. क्या है, हम ऑन स्क्रीन रोते हैं तो हमें रोते हुए भी सुंदर दिखना होता है, बट जब रियल लाइफ रोते तो वाला रोना आ ही जाता है. लुकिंग सो रेडिएंट. आपकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है? आप सबका प्यार. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. God, why am I not following Karan? Hey Bhagwan, Aswathi, right? Of course I'm following him. And guys, कैसे आपको इतना वक्त मिलता है देखने को कि हम किसको फॉलो करें, कौन हमें कर रहा है? But I am following him. Don't worry. Like I said, he's a dear friend. Who else? Can we see? Something about Divya and Varun. Well, they look adorable together. दोनों ही इतने good looking है ना. It's a very very beautiful couple. So yes. Hello Ridhima Pandit fan page. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Ridhima_jazz. I was shipping for you and Rak. You guys were too cute. Okay, thank you. अभी राग जब बाहर आएगा तब मैं उसको मिलूंगी पक्का. Oh my God, हाँ. बहु हमारी रजनीकांत fans, of course, they never really, they are obviously always going to be there, always very special. I'm missing out on a few fan pages. I shall be taking all your names, but lots of love to you guys. I'm here for you guys today. Thank you, Rose. I know, but like they say, life isn't always fair. And this is, after all, just a game. We have to accept the rules, the concepts, Of course, it's true if it was a solo game to be played, the results would have been different. But the pairing game was such, so you can't really help it. Gotta accept it. Ridhima Pandit fan page says they miss me. Don't worry, I'm right here now. You don't have to miss me. And even though I was gone, I think my page was very, very active thanks to Brandon Buzz. So you guys have really kept up to your promise and entertained all my fans while I was inside. Hello. Diya Saha, hello. Hello, Ridhima _ Pandit. Okay, hi. I love you too, guys. Thank you so much. I'm going to take a few questions. Let me just take a look. Will I come in Big Boss 15? Like I said, there are many factors. We shall be seeing. I'm audible now. Somebody's written no sound, so I got worried. One second. I sent a request to a friend instead of accepting. Lots of love from Karnataka. Thank you. Favorite contestant of Big Boss? I can't say favorite as such, because सब बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, and this show means a lot to each one of them. So I wish them all the best. I know you all want to see me again on your television screens, और इंशाल्लाह ये मौका जल्दी ही आएगा. One second. हाँ, अनफेयर हुआ है आपके साथ बिग बॉस में? नहीं मेरे दोस्तों, प्लीज ऐसा मत कहिए. ये फीलिंग सही नहीं है. Let's not be a bitter and a sore loser. My logic is simple in life. Whatever happens, happens for the best. Maybe there's something better for us in the store. Afsar sir, hi. How are you? So nice to see you here. Hi, my darling Piyu. I'm so sorry I couldn't make it for your puja. I've just been doing all of this all day long, interacting with everyone. Everyone who's a little hurt and disheartened that हमारी journey इतनी जल्दी खत्म हो गई, but कोई बात नहीं. And my friends are really, really concerned, okay? They are thinking that I'm feeling pathetic, terrible. Yes, I'm feeling all these emotions, but at least I'm all heart, all real. I came out looking dignified. I came out by winning your hearts, and that's what matters the most to me. Love you, AZ. Justin. Hi, Justin. How are you, my friend? Okay. Oh my God. And yeah, of course, I missed meeting Hina. यार, मैं जिस दिन evict हुई उसी दिन Hina आई थी. And Hina is so lovely. My God, she looks so stunning always. और दूसरा एक ये मैंने सुना, काफी लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे कि मैंने दिव्या को हग नहीं किया जाते वक्त. भाई ये आप सबकी गलतफहमी है. शायद वो टीवी पर आया नहीं, but Divya was crying. I was actually shocked with so much love Karan and I received when we were leaving. They were all crying. They were all teary-eyed. Of course, I hugged Divya and I told her, come and meet me outside. I'm going to meet her in Varun soon. God willing, she comes out with the trophy, or whoever does, may the best person win. Thank you, Krish. Thank you. Krish has styled me for one of my shoots. It has been an amazing experience. हाँ, प्रतीक भी बहुत रो रहा था. मैं कंफ्यूज हो, मेरे लिए रो रहा था कि करण के लिए. आई थिंक ही वाज डेफिनेटली क्राइंग फॉर करण. पर उसे जाते वक्त बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. ही केम अप टू मी एज वेल एंड आई टोल्ड हिम, आई सेड यार इट्स ओके, इट्स जस्ट अ गेम एंड व्हाटएवर हैपेंस इन द बिग बॉस हाउस स्टेज इन द बिग बॉस हाउस. बाहर आकर हमेशा एक नई शुरुआत होती है हर एक के लिए. ओके, माय गॉड. I'm really lagging over here. I might be missing out on a few questions, guys. I'm really sorry. But yeah. Hi, Dinky. I'm a Santa. Santa, when are you sending me new clothes? Just wait for a little while. I have no place to keep right now anything. I think मुझे घर के बाहर रहना पड़ेगा और मेरे कपड़ों के लिए अलग घर बनाना पड़ेगा मुझे. ऐसा वक्त आ चुका है. Shivika is asking me my hair care routine. Well, I don't fidget around as much as possible. I just let my hair be. But as actors, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है because we have to keep styling our hair. Otherwise, मेरे real बालों को तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया होगा Big Boss में जो ऐसे हो जाते थे frizzy full. But can't help it. Some days you gotta let your hair breathe. See, my ring light is also broken. My hand is hurting holding this phone. Where can I get it fixed? I need a stand to place this on. Neha is asking, मुझे शहनाज से मिलकर कैसा लगा? यार मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. She is too cute and so pretty. And I remember our interaction. She said, Ridhima, मुझे बहुत आप humble लगती हो, आप बहुत sweet हो. और हमारा mutual admiration चल रहा था when I told her that I think you're also very, very cute, and I said I love you. You know, she was really adorable. Next project, well, I'm not allowed to speak about it yet, but जब कभी भी मैं reveal कर पाऊंगी, trust me, you guys will know it सबसे पहले. हाँ जी भावना, आपका क्या सवाल है? Have I missed out on your question? I'm so sorry. ये क्या हुआ? Whoops. हाँ, sorry. Something is off. Something is off. मैंने कुछ पोस्ट कर दिया by mistake. That's okay. I'm a little technically challenged, as you all know. So it's okay. I'm allowed to make these mistakes. Yes, what are the questions? Your eyes, my God, why? What's wrong with my eyes? Is something wrong? Something wrong? Is my makeup not all right? God, I'm just actually tired and sleepy. Anyway, मेरे बारे में बहुत कुछ हो गया. आप सब लोग कहाँ से हैं मुझे बताइए. I want to know where all my viewers are from. My audience is from where? So please tell me, आप सब कहाँ से हैं? This is my most favorite question every time I come live. Do I miss Big Boss? Of course. I miss जब Big Boss मेरा नाम लेते थे. Big Boss चाहते हैं कि रिधीमा confession room में आए. Oh, what a feeling. Yes, Big Boss आ रहे हैं, don't worry. और मुझे वो चिट्ठी पढ़ने के लिए ज्यादातर बुलाया जाता था. जैसे ही जाते थे तो Big Boss हमेशा पूछते, रिधीमा कैसी है? I want to say so many things, then I go like, बहुत अच्छे. आप कैसे? His voice is just so intimidating. So yes, overall it was a superb experience, guys, and thank you for being a part of it with me. Yes, people. I know सब लोग यही पूछ रहे हैं कि मैं वापस जा रही हूँ या नहीं. मुझे नहीं पता guys, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता, but फिलहाल मैं बाहर हूँ और मैं आपसे बातें कर रही हूँ, आपके well wishes को receive कर रही हूँ, and all this love really means a lot. Divya or Shamita? Well, if you ask me, both are my friends, so it's very, very hard to pick, and I hope वो दोनों game अच्छे से खेले, and do not just make it about one crazy fight. Move on and do the tasks also really well. That's also important. Hello. Hey, you were seen eating all the time from freezing, so you got animated. What nonsense. It's true. मेरी बहन ने भी मुझे कहा कि मैंने तुम्हें सिर्फ हमेशा खाते हुए ही देखा है, पर मैं क्या करूं? मैंने बोला ना, मुझे स्ट्रेस में बहुत भूख लगती है. अब लोगों के झगड़े होते हैं तो I start eating. What to do? See, it's not that. And it's not animated, it's eliminated. See, that's because, guys, you know, I don't like घुसोing unnecessarily in sabka panga. I like to give my 2 bits once the situation kind of cools down. But I guess doesn't work over here. So ठीक है. Hi Anuj, केम छे? यार वो तो आ भी गई बाहर यार. What is this man? वो तो what was it? What had we decided? भांगी नाखिस, तो भी करी नाखिस, भुक्को करी नाखिस. चल, never mind. आजा इधर बात करते हैं. Hi Monisha. निमाशा, प्लीज आप अपने सारे फैन क्लब्स में ये क्लियर कर दीजिए कि मैंने दिव्या को बहुत दिल से हक किया था. वो आप लोगों को शायद दिखाया नहीं गया है. एंड आई कंसोल्ड दिव्या अ लॉट एंड आई विश्ड हर ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई एम स्टिल रूटिंग फॉर हर फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड. You were eliminated because we want to see you on Insta every day. अरे नहीं यार, नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. मैं तो वैसे भी दिख रही थी आपको रोज. Majama Jan, you did well. Thank you so much. God. You know, guys, I think now I am going to be stopping this live, but I want to tell you all that thank you so much once again for all the love and support that you have showered on me, for me, all the rooting that you all have been doing for me, this amazing traction that we have been going at. I hope to maintain it, and that's it. And any new projects that come up for me, you guys will be the first ones to know. So lots of love.